hop out, already lit. I'm rolling, so watch out, watch how I spin. I said that.
Hey y'all, I see y'all back. Go ahead and subscribe while you at it. And if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, go check out my latest video that I recently put out, my eyebrow tutorial. It'll be easy to find, but I'll just go ahead and link it up above. And the hair is from my hairline, The Kingdom. So if you want to buy some bundle, I am having a sale right now, so go ahead and check it out. And this look, it was really like impromptu, okay? That's why I didn't even realize the 3 grays that I took. The first one that I pointed at, I thought it was the darkest one, but it was actually not. The second one was. So y'all saw me just pack that one on. But then I went back and I put the second one on top of the first one because it was darker, and then I just went back in the first one to blend it out into the third one. And you know, like I said, it was impromptu. I got my inspiration from the song Gray Area by Kyanna, and I was like, I'm gonna do a gray look, because why not? But yeah, so I blended it out into like a cut crease type shape, and then I went and just, you know, added some extra pizzazz to it. I realized after I finished, I could have, you know, made it to where it could have been blended out and I could have put the lines inside of the gray, but that's neither here nor there. So I did order some bases from Louise and her collection. This is the winter collection, and I got some acid rain brushes for free, and right now I'm just, you know, unboxing the packaging for y'all. I was really excited because the packaging was like so cute, and it came from the UK. You see it's like holographic and stuff, and I'm gonna just show y'all the back real quick. It's a nice little message on the back. I opened this packaging, y'all. I was like, oh, it's time to cut up. And those are the 3 acid rain brushes. It was a really flat brush, a really skinny brush for details, and then a slanted brush. And so I was just showing you the bases, and I'm just going in for the mint one first, and it's basically going to be like a ombre cut crease line. So I'm going in the mint green color first, and then I'm going to just blend that out into the baby blue, and then blend that out into the lavender. And then once I'm done, I'm just gonna, make it extra, and then just gonna set it with my next Profusion palette that I'm gonna show y'all, and it just says eyes on the front, so I guess it's just called eyes. And this is my first time using these palettes, actually using like the eyeshadow out these palettes, and they're really good. So I'm just using that blue and that purple, and I'm gonna just go over the purple and the blue with that just to set it so it won't move. And then I'm also going in my Zulu palette, which I didn't get on camera, and I'm using the mint green, seafoam green type color in that palette to set the green. So here you see me, I did some, little extra little line things. Just wanted to do like something that would bring the look out more, because it was looking kind of, little to me, And y'all know I like dramatic looks. I love dramatic looks. I just love just seeing what I can come up with. So being that this was like impromptu, like I told you, it was really, bothering me, and I kept just adding stuff. So I just put glitter on this wing, and I added a wing, even though I don't do them that much anymore. I need to get back into it because I need to step my wing game back up. You feel me? So y'all saw I added those white lines. The glue I use is the Kiss iMovie glue, and I use the clear kind, and I use that for my eyelashes, for my glitter, and I actually used it where I wanted the white lines so that when I put my white eyeliner on, it didn't crease. And I learned that from a few MUAs that I follow on Instagram. But yeah, it works, trust me. So the foundation I'm using is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the color bronze. And right now I'm just setting my face, and then I'm going to put the foundation on. But as y'all can see, when I use my foundation, even though it is my color, it oxidizes, so it looks orange first, and I really hate that, because then it's like when I'm doing my videos, people are like, oh, that don't match her skin, and they probably think I go back and put something else on, but it's really just that color. So I was looking at Juvia's place, and they actually had a sale, and I was like, oh crap. And I actually bought from them 2 times. The first time, that's when I got the right concealer, which is the color 16 that I'm using right now. And then the second time I got the 18, which was way too white for me. But I got those concealers in conjunction with the foundations, and the foundations were both either too red or too dark. So I contacted the MUA and was asking her, since we can't really, swatch anything right now, what would be the best thing? And she was like, try NARS. And I was like, okay. I never tried them, so I will be trying them very soon. And after I blend out my concealer, I'm going in and I'm doing my contour with the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the color F16. So it's kind of got like a red undertone to it, just so that it can bring some life, because the concealer is very neutral. And then my foundation is really like on the more yellow side, so I just got the F16 put just a little bit, because I didn't want a very harsh contour. And then now you see me blending it out, and then I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush and just blend my foundation color back between them, so that everything can be seamless. So I set my under eye, nose, forehead, and upper lip with the Black Radiance banana powder, and then I set under my contour and my chin with the Chalk Dust letter N from the crayon case. Yes, honey, I see all the powder in my bottle, okay? I used to do my hair and then do my makeup and not tie my hair down. And then I started tying my hair down. And then I was like, oh, I'm not getting nothing on my hair. Let me just, I see it. I see it. Don't tell me nothing. Yeah, now I'm using the Nyx Lip Liner, and it's just a brown without a red undertone, so that it won't turn red. I hate that. Like, I used to use the same lip liner and eyebrow pencil, so I think y'all get it. My eyebrows used to be red trash. And I used to use the pink print from the Pink Friday collection that Nicki Minaj had with MAC, but the color was looking a little bit too bright for me, you know what I'm saying? So I just put my Holy Grail lip gloss on top of that, so that I could, add a little more pink to it, make it a little bit darker. And now you see me using Glow Cane from the crayon case just to highlight my face. And I feel like that really brought like the whole look together. So let me know if you like it. If you want to see more looks, follow my Instagram at Kyanna.Michelle. If you want to see what's going on in my business, follow at TheeKyngdom, my business page. And also, if you want to purchase, go to www.wearqueensshop.com. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment on this video, like the other videos, comment on there, okay? Share it with your friends, post notifications, all that extra stuff. So thank y'all for watching. Deuces.
Yeah. So why waste time?